Here's what we did to have a garden in a limited space like a cement-covered patio. 1. Use pots with drainage holes. 2. Choose the right soil structure. 3. Be mindful of the watering. 4. Choose plants for the right sunlight exposure. 5. Arrange different pot sizes into layers. 6. Make use of structures as points of interest. We now have a serene space with a variety of flowering plants and edible ones growing in this small space with multiple points of interest in a limited space. We grouped pots, where the smaller plants in smaller pots are in the front, and the bigger plants in bigger pots are in the back. Leave some comments if you addressed, or not, the questions that led you to watch this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this episode. Leave comments and pointers to share with others.